Imagine stepping onto a cozy terrace where every inch is drenched in golden sunlight, terracotta tiles radiate warmth beneath your feet, and the air carries a gentle mix of rosemary and orange blossom fragrance. Welcome to our small Terrace Secrets, make any space feel like a Hacienda Retreat experience. And here at Liviero Studio, we are firm believers that even the smallest outdoor nook can be turned into a Mediterranean-style retreat. We'll explore creative, budget-friendly ways to transform your sunlit terrace into a tranquil lounge, a lush garden oasis, or a chic spot for entertaining, all while keeping that authentic hacienda vibe intact. What magic happens when sunlight, terracotta, and smart styling meet in a tiny outdoor space? Stay with me and see the full transformation. Segment 1. Laying the groundwork, color, texture, and flow. Our foundation starts with earth-toned surfaces. Swap plain concrete for clip-on terracotta pavers or use an outdoor-rated micro-cement overlay tinted in warm clay shades. This instantly echoes classic Spanish courtyard floors while reflecting light to keep the space bright. Next, study the natural path of the sun. Morning rays from the east are gentle, so position breakfast seating there. The intense afternoon sun in the west calls for a shade sail or bamboo roller blind. Finally, establish visual flow by using 3 unifying textures. For example, rough stucco on the back wall, woven palm on chair backs, and hand-painted talavera tiles on stair risers. Keeping the palette tight lets small spaces breathe and ensures nothing competes with the star of the show, sunlight. Segment 2. Built-in seating that doubles as storage. Custom masonry benches are a hacienda hallmark, but you don't need contractors. Construct modular hollow blocks topped with reclaimed wood planks and line them with high-density outdoor foam cushions. Each block acts as hidden storage for citronella candles, hose reels, or barbecue tools. Paint the bench base the same color as adjacent walls for a seamless look. Then add hand-knotted makeover lumbar pillows for softness. Pro tip: hinge the seat lids and add desiccant packs inside to keep contents dry through humid seasons. Segment 3: Sun-loving greenery and micro-orchard corners. Hacienda terraces rarely rely on lawns. They celebrate potted life. Choose drought-tolerant companions like bougainvillea, Mexican feathergrass, and variegated agave for sculptural height. To introduce edible romance, create a mini citrus espalier against the sunniest Walmeyer lemon or calamondin. Work beautifully in containers. Underplant with creeping thyme to release fragrance when stepped on. And use descending pot sizes on a stepped plant rack to draw the eye upward, giving the illusion of extra height. Segment 4: Water, Fire, and Sound. Sensory anchors. Small terraces come alive with contrasting elements. Start with a slender terracotta wall fountain. Water trickling over cobalt tiles masks urban noise. Opposite that, a portable chimney or modern ethanol fire pit introduces evening warmth without smoke or ash. Lay ambiance with discreet Bluetooth rock speakers playing gentle guitarra a flamenca in the background. By balancing cool water and warm fire, you create rhythm. Daytime feels refreshing, dusk feels intimate. Segment 5: Shade and Light. Dynamic day-to-night transitions. Sun worship is lovely until midday glare sets in. Install retractable woven reed screens that roll down on simple pulleys. casting dappled shadows reminiscent of olive groves. For nighttime magic, weave LED festoon lights through a cedar pergola beam and tuck solar-powered lanterns into planter niches. Stick to amber bulbs under 2,200 K. Anything whiter clashes with the rustic palette and attracts insects. Add battery-powered candles in glass hurricanes along stair treads for safe, flicker-free movement after sunset. And there you have it, our complete sun-drenched Hacienda terrace. Proof that square footage isn't the measure of outdoor joy. We unified the space with warm surfaces, space-saving storage benches, sun-loving plants, captivating water and fire features, flexible shade solutions, and intentional rituals that elevate everyday living. If you've taken inspiration, let me know which idea you'll try first down in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tour with a friend dreaming of their own Mediterranean hideaway. Until next time, keep chasing sunlight and creating harmony in every corner of your home.